Do you need to get your food handler card? Our course is ANAB-accredited, easy, affordable, and it only takes 3 steps. First, fill out the form to register and pay for the course. You will immediately receive a confirmation email with your username and password. Second, log into your account, choose your preferred language, and start the course. You can do this from a desktop or laptop computer, a tablet, and even your mobile phone. You can complete it all in one session or pause and restart at any time without losing progress. There will be a final exam at the end. It consists of 40 questions and you'll need to pass with a 70% or higher. But don't worry, the course includes unlimited attempts at no additional cost. Once you pass, you will see a downloadable PDF file with your brand new food handler card and certificate of completion. Print it and show it to your employer. You're done. Get started today and get your food handler card in a snap.